So guys, once again, this is our seller store. Okay, this is our seller store, and look at it. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. These are flyers that we have created, and just name them all the flyers, logos, banners, flyers, church flyers, name them wedding invitation cards, call cards, or visiting cards in which we are selling it. Okay, they are already made, all you need to do is just place an order, purchase it, and then just use it like that. So we have this first page, we have another second page. Let me just show it to you, and this is the second page. And day in, day out, we are still uploading things over there. Look at these flyers, my god, look at these flyers, look at this flyers. So let me go to the next page again and show you. Okay, so we only have up to 2 pages, and we are still uploading things. Okay, we are still uploading things. So look at this flyers, just look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. So let me just show you this one. So if you want to make any order, just click on this way, and then click on buy now. Buy now. If you click on buy now, then it will take you to a procedure whereby you make the payment. Or if in case you are finding it now, let's see the details. Okay, so they are check. This is a church flyer. A file is a PSD file document, and then the file size, this is the file size. You see now the color mode is what? CMYK, resolution 300 CMYK. It means it's already printable. If you buy this one, and then you look at this fully editable text, color, and images. So we have made all of them very simple, whereby you can just hide the image and then import your own image over there, even the text details, time, date, and everything. Just hide them, or just go to the just double click it and then make changes to it, edit it, and then change it. So if in case you have any problem purchasing any of our products, hit me on this number. In case you are having any problem purchasing any of our products, hit me on this one. Now look at this one. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. And it's also for sale at 25 Ghana cedis. Those of you who are outside Ghana, you can use dollar rates to convert it and then purchase it according to your dollar rate. But if you are in Ghana, it's going for as 25 Ghana cedis. Nobody will design this flyer for you and then charge you 25 Ghana cedis except me. Okay, except me. Look at this one. My goddess, my goddess, my goddess, my goddess. Just look at it. Look at this. And it's not even in one. No, it's not even in one. See this one, a ready-made design. All you need to do is just edit it and then put your details over there and then go and print it. Okay, yes, look at this one. There are plenty. I can't show you all. I can't show you all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, my god, my god, my god, my god, my god. Very awesome flyers. Very, very awesome flyers. And see, if I told you that it's already made, I'm not lying to you. Already made. Just purchase it. I said if you want to buy, go here, buy now, and then make the payment. Okay, make the payment. And in case you are purchasing any of the flyers and you are having any challenge, okay, in case you are purchasing any of the flyers and you are having any challenge, you can hit me up. Okay, you can hit me up in case you are purchasing the flyer and you haven't. Look at this wedding invitation. Yes, very awesome. Already made editable files whereby you can buy it and then edit it and then make it yours. So in case you are buying it and you are facing any challenge, once again, hit me up on this number and let's assist you. I love you. I'll see you once again in the next tutorial. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. In case you want me to design anything for you and you go here and it's not there, just contact me. Okay, in case you want any special flyer, just contact me and then I will help you out with the design. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share, comment. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorial.